Test the recording. Test 1 2 3 1 2 3. What's up, guys? What's up? Welcome back to my channel for results. So today's video, I'm going to talking about. No, I'm sorry, it's not talking about. I'm going to show you how to make a UI component accordion with only using Tailwindcss only. So this is the preview. Maybe I wanted to improve somewhere, like maybe the body. Let's put the body into like easy. I don't know. Let's put a what's the base width? Okay, let's put a PG grade 100, and let's see how is it. Okay. Alright, so put it like a possibility. Oh, there you go. And then put some border. There you go. And then make the border black. And add some opacity. There you go. And then up the top of the content to be rounded. So let's make it rounded LG. Pardon, I'm really sorry, so make it a T. No, E, I mean, alright, so after that, we're gonna, wait a minute, where's the header? Oh, there you go. We're gonna delete this, the rounded LG, to just making it to the top. There you go. So it's perfectly, but I don't think it's really good using a border. I don't really like it. Alright. So I'll make it more expand, like maybe for about let's put it like 25 grams. Dang it. Let's put it like there you go. This is the first preview of the accordion content without any JavaScript. So now I'm going to make another example in here for accordion too, and put it like accordion wrapper, and then let's put it. We need it. To working with a peer procedural element in Tailwindcss, we do need an input type. Let's say we're going to use a checkbox and then put an ID like trigger accordion 2, and then just make it hidden. There you go. We need something, and then like let's put it heading in here. And then to be able to work with the input and then a label, and then to be able to work with the peer pseudo element, we need both of the HTML component, which is input and label. So we know when we put an ID in here, we also need to targeting for the float. So let's put the same name as in the input. And we do let's put it like accordion 2, let's say. Alright, so make this thing into flex row first. I'm going to flex code. Alright, let's put it gap 3, and then give a color for the head, like let's say BG blue. Let's put a blue. Alright, let's put a padding. There you go. And then put a rounded for top of the header. We're just going to use rounded top. Maybe LG is enough. Okay, and then make it full. Why is it on full? Oh, Right, so let's put it on here. Let's expand on. That's it. Okay, let's put it on cooling here. Let's put it back on 25. Dang it, bro, it's too much. UV black. Oh yeah, there we go. Put it on. Okay, I don't think it's possible. Let's just wrap it on in here. We're going to move the width into the wrapper. And then let's put it at 25. There you go. Get away the, oh shit, wait. Let's put a flex to make it having a gap between each component. Flex called get fit. There you go. Put it in small gap, so let's put it 20. Oh, it's too much. So let's put it 10. Still too much. Let's put it 5. There you go. Okay, so for the next step, I don't really know why you. Wait. Why you won't expand like the other? Wait a minute, I don't recall what is sort of expand. That's pretty weird. Maybe is it because let's put some icon in here. Let's put a plus and put a flex. Just the 5 bits when you get 5. Is it? That's weird kind of behavior. I might want to just forget about the thing. So okay, let's continue. Let's put it. Let's wrap it into a P tag. So the justify between could work, and then let's give the text into a white color. Alright, there you go. Let's give it like more bold. Let's give it a font weight, I mean. There you go. I think we better use this component instead of this plus. There you go. And then after that, we're going to make the body accordion body, which is gonna hold all the content, mainly content about your information. Like maybe let's put a Lauren instance. So there you go. And then I think it's to put it Turkish. Oh my god, why is it expanding so much? This is weird, bro. I think just put the width in here. Make it 25. And same goes the same for this. There you go, it's more clean, alright? After that, maybe we're going to put a border for the body, for the two, and then we're going to make it LG also for the top, so it can match with the whole thing, and then put a border color and then make it the opacity to be 30. Oh, it's still feasible. Okay, I think this is enough. And then put the padding in the body. Let's put it 4. There we go. More clear. And after that, now we're going to work with the magic. So to working with pairs in Tailwindcss, as I said before, we need the input and then a label. So, and then there's one class in Tailwindcss called pair. So let's put it like pair in here. Then it's just pair, okay? Then it's the other class. So just put it pair. And then after that, we're going to make the body first to be 0. So, and then make it like overflow hidden. And then as you guys can see, there's an overflow still in here. So how to handle that? We're going to do like put it another wrapper in here and then put the content inside it. And then instead of we doing the padding in the accordion body, we're going to put it in the wrap that we make. So it's going to solve the problem. And then to be able to expand this while we were clicking this thing, we forgot I need to add the cursor pointer so the clicking option is available. And then we're going to put, so the key point is like peer check. Okay, peer check, and we're going to make the max age into, let's say like 20 rand. And then when we click, look at that. Boom, we got the content, which is the accordion. And then to make a transition between when expanding and then we need to add a transition in here. And then we make it it's in out and set up the duration to 300. And look at that. Beautiful, beautiful accordion without 0 JavaScript error. So yeah, that's it for today's video. So if you guys like have anything to ask about this video, you might just like put it down in the comment section. And then for those who just like want to start about coding, if you want to start with the CSS, like I'm in Tailwindcss, you guys might want to start with the basic of CSS first, because with the peer point, is it in a basic CSS there is a class name, let's say this. So this is what is this. I'm sorry. This is what it was to be a peer check in the Tailwindcss. So if you guys need to understand what about the peer procedural elements, or you better try to learn the basic about CSS first. Otherwise, I don't know, maybe if you guys too clever to follow up this video, so yeah, maybe it's good. But in my opinion, just learning about the basic first. After that, yeah, you can try to explore about the framework guide. I don't know, maybe Tailwindcss, I don't think it's like a framework. Maybe it's, in my opinion, Tailwindcss is like a library, not written like a framework, because if a framework, let's say, it's like a bootstrap, so we just need to use a reusable component. Different with the Tailwindcss, which is we just need to put our style inside the component class. So yeah, it's a little bit easy. Okay, what's the word I'm looking for? It's more easy than you just write in here, because it's like automatically straight to the point where you want to style your component. We'll put it on the external style, or maybe like put it in here. So yeah, Tailwindcss is better for those who are to be more creative at your component. I'm really sorry for the closing. I'm really sorry for maybe my mic sound was not well, and then maybe the way I'm talking English is not really better, because I'm just learning about English. Oh, sorry, I'm not learning about English. I'm just learning how to speak English perfectly, because yeah, it's about confidence, like my dad say. So the reason I'm making this video also for like boost my confidence. So thanks you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And then once again, if you have any questions, just leave it out in the comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.